Hey, what's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok style video or IG style video that will be perfect for your massage therapy page. I just came up with this example right now, but I think it's super cool. But hopefully you can use this as an example and maybe put your own spin on it, be a little creative. You can do whatever you want. But I'm going to show you right now how to do it. So I got my phone here and I'm going to upload this as an IG reel, but I'm editing it in IG story, just so you know. And right now I have a calf video that I did previously. It's just a quick clip of me doing a couple strokes here. And when you're filming someone, just prop up your camera or your phone and film a friend, a client. I mean, the cameras are so damn good on the phones now that you don't even need a fancy camera. So right now I have this calf video up, and what I thought would be cool is doing a testimonial with this video. So I jumped over to the Notes app. I typed up a client testimonial, and what I'm going to do is screenshot it, and then I'm going to crop it. That way it's nice and clean. We don't see any of the extras going on here. Let me crop that in a little bit more. Perfect. Done. Let's save to photos. Then I'm going to jump back over to Instagram, and we can add that testimonial right into this video. So we click up here and then client testimonial. Now it pops up. So how cool is that? And then I can bring it down here, or we can put it up here. Let's put it down here. I think that's a little bit more aesthetic. And now it's showing the technique that I used on my client and then a client testimonial. After Joe's session, I felt I could run 2 marathons. And all you have to do, and you can add some music to it. Then when I use it, when I'm editing in IG stories, I'll go up here and I'll just hit save, and then it'll save to your album, and you can upload this to TikTok. You can upload this as an IG reel after. Yeah, so many things you can do. And again, it's be creative with it. You can do so many things. Again, you can prop this over here. Maybe that looks good here. You can click on it in different shapes, play around with it. You'll do some trial and error, but the more you get comfortable with it, the more you just pump out content. But this is super cool. So hopefully that helped out. Let me know if you want to see more examples in the future, and I will see you later.